die man met sy eentjie.
Yeah, you know I can't go anywhere with a cigarette, even after yesterday's drinking. I smoke a lot today. But yeah, what we're doing today with Shaun's car, giving it a machine polish. I'm not going all crazy with flatting and polish, because look, the car has been sprayed a couple of years ago. Shaun has no idea how thick the paint is. I don't have a measuring tool to measure how thick the paint is, so we don't want to take a chance with flatting the car. Because Shaun, jack of all trades, sprayed his own car. So I don't want to take the chance of flatting, because the car does have a lot of orange peel on the car. And
DIY
yeah.
DIY.
So yeah, to get that nice smooth finish, it needs a flat. But I'm not doing that today, so we just give it a nice one-step polish. I'm testing this out. I'm used to using Mk2's and also using the 3M. I use this a lot, extra fine. And but we're testing the detail ease today as well. So the detail ease, so far has done a very good job of removing swirls, because the car's got a lot of swirl marks. It's a very light color, so you don't actually see a lot of the defects. So, but obviously in the garage with the lighting off and the garage closed, you can actually see it. But in the sunlight, you won't hardly see any. But it's definitely bringing the shine out. A lot of oxidation with the car. The car looks actually, if we do a 50-50, the car looks actually, half side is like brown, and the other side is bringing the color out. So yeah, detail is it focus.
Yeah, focus.
But yeah, the stuff works quite. Let's hope they see this video and send me some free products.
Hashtag detail ease.
So yeah, look, I've been hearing obviously about this detail ease. Everybody's posting details. So I decided, hey, let me give it a go. This is the one-step swirl and scratch removal. And I'm actually very impressed. I'm actually really very impressed. I'm used to using Mk2's products, but this is actually quite good. Because my main thing is, if I'm using a machine with this stuff, it doesn't leave much dusting, and to wipe off it's easy. You don't have to sit and rub and circle to get it out, and it actually does its job, right? Even with oxidation on the car, if the car's like a bit faded, this stuff works like a bomb, eh? Stuff works like a bomb. So please, sponsor me. Because I do a lot of cars, and even for my own car, the stuff works good. It's got a nice smell to it also. I smoke it. I actually have the window cleaner as well. Window cleaner and the one step, and I use the degreaser as well. So the degreaser also works like a bomb. But yeah, this one step, that it does its job. And I don't have to wax afterwards. It doesn't leave any puffing swirls.
Wax on, wax off.
Wax on, wax off. So it's exactly what it says. So one step.
With ease.
Yeah, detail with ease. So yeah, it does exactly what it says. So it's literally a one step. You don't have to do a cutting compound and then afterwards a polish and then afterwards a wax. It literally does everything in one step. So we tested it on. I have used it before on other cars, but we tested today on Shaun's car. Shaun's car needs a much needed wax on, wax off.
Attention.
Yeah, so we tested it out today. Good stuff. spreek wil praat nou. Dis moeg gebeur. Yes. Yesterday I did night score. One of the lazy guys. Today I'm doing Shaun score. Also one of the lazy guys. So yeah, kan een mens hoeven niet werken. But yeah, we haven't did a vlog in a long time, man. It's been a while. Devin has been, or Devon. He's been very busy with work and so on, working late nights and so on, so he's been very busy. I think that's probably why we also been quiet, and we're on the bit of a lowdown with this whole JP Smith thing, just to calm down a bit, and also the taxi strike happening. So yeah, we have been a bit quiet with the vlogs, but hopefully surely it should pick up a bit more now the weather's a bit better. Should pick up again. Show season is going to start from where we now, August. So show season will be starting again here from September. There's quite a few shows lined up. What's the next? What's the first one? Okay, first one is Drift City. Drift City, 24th of September, not mistaken. And then it will be after that Germany's guys and Envy Us. It's their show. I don't know what's the next one.
That's Spring Auto Fest.
The Spring Auto Fest.
That's the Germany's on NVR.
Yeah, and then there's another Spring Fest. Everything is just spring. So this is a Spring Fest in what's it, Stars Buddies or something. Yeah, that's in Atlanta. Then there's another Spring Fest with Stay Hungry, and yeah, so there's quite a few shows happening from September, October side also, and I'm sure there'll be more coming up. But yeah, hopefully we'll start getting some more content coming in and some more vlogs coming in.
We're gonna try to make the cars and coffee.
So stay tuned for that. Devin will probably be there because he missed out on the last one. So Devin will probably be there. And yeah, we finished Shaun's car now. How many hours later? Started at 9:30? 10?
Omtrent, ja. Say 10, half 10.
Yeah, so we started around
10
about
years
that
ago,
time.
yeah.
And it's now, I don't have my phone with me.
And it's now 20 past 2.
Yeah,
And it's now looking better.
So yeah, we finished off Shaun's car now. I polished his lips on his own and everything. So he doesn't have to check all trades. He sprayed his own car a couple of years ago, polished his own wheels and everything. But yeah, it's looking much better now because I thought this car was polished a couple of years ago.
Work in progress.
Yeah, so it's work in progress. Looking much better now. Colors popping nicely. Detail is really good. Actually nicely to test it on a car like this. And yeah, I'm very happy with that product. Hopefully they reach out. Hopefully, you know, little some, little sponsorship there, sponsorship here. We'll see. But yeah, out to my own,
You also need a guy with some finesse to make it work, eh?
So yeah, happy with the product. Using it on Shaun's car. So I don't know if there's anything else you guys want to cover. Is there anything else?
Fabes. Fabes het.
Wat so goed?
Fabes.
What the hell is Fabes?
Vanessa Fabes.
It's Sunday, this man coming with the dad jokes already. I think also there's another thing that's coming up. In October, we're planning on Devin's stag. And I'm going to steal his camera, hopefully we're going to vlog it whole stag.
Oh.
Okay, we can't vlog that. No. If he's around, we can't vlog it. Because it will be pornographic.
Maybe we can go live.
Go live with my balls on Devin's face. But yeah. But yeah, guys. Hopefully there'll be definitely some more content coming out. Like we said, we're just keeping a lowdown now with the whole cop story and pounding and stuff like that. So we're just wait for that to just calm down a bit. In future, we're planning on doing some type of vlog, also just educating the guys on the actual laws, basic simple laws to not get your car impounded, and hopefully just try and educate the guys on that, your basic stuff like having number plates on, make sure it's put on properly in the car. If you guys are static, try not driving low, basic stuff like that, just to prevent your car from being impounded and not to cause a what's the word I'm looking for? Attraction to yourself.
Attraction to yourself.
Yeah, we don't want the law to get attracted to you by the way you're rolling around. So yeah, in future that's also planned to do, to have something like that. So I don't know what else you want to discuss.
No, that's
It's
all.
Sunday. I'm tired. I'm still a little bit recovering of last night, but yeah, it's all good. How's those say? Cheers.
Safety.
This is the night when fear and horror walk hand in hand.
I'm a wild guy, I got mob time. I'm a boss nigga, I see a snake eye. I'm a wild guy, I got mob time. I'm a boss nigga, I see a snake eye. Aren't you where you from? Cause it's nightmares in the mud. If it's Freddy or it's Jason, ain't no one surviving in my hood. From North Memphis, either blood or business. Ain't no time for feelings. Niggas test you, police rush you, bitches stress you for your good. Aren't you where you from? Cause it's nightmares in the mud. If it's Freddy or it's Jason, ain't no one surviving in my hood. From North Memphis, blood or business. Ain't no time for feelings. Niggas test you, police rush you, bitches stress you for your good.
They say that nightmares are dreams perverted.
You see do I not open like that, huh? Check it out. Where's Mr. What's the guy's name?
Sinusville, is it?
Cedric the Entertainer.
Cedric.
He was said, show me a mark one, his doors open properly. Look at that. First time man.
Allemaal die dieren man zo.
Nothing off.
Ja, of jij moet het voor je vrouw opmaken.
Ja.
Ik doe mezelf op mijn